Say roar. Happy birthday.
Shaking hands, the crowds in stands went wild.
Ang cute. Ay, taray ni Kendall. Tapos nilalaminate siya. Apat na plant. Detox queen. Lagyan mo na detox is life. Yes. Kendall. CJ ang ano. Wow. Ay, Margot. Si Keisha. Next to. Si Brayden.
Garden here, who must love, who makes me feel. Ever this stage, be at my side.
Remember this feeling.
All you have to do is just enjoy this activity and follow every story. One more time. That Kendall can use to wipe her sweat. Oh, and one more winner. TJ, what is that? Tissue towel.
7, 8. Okay, great job, everybody. So we are now.
Bato very competitive. Mga foreigner, very competitive ha. Pinuntahan. Kain na. Sarap na yung luto. Ako nagluto niya. Ano, bata ka? Bata ka?
Watch are all correct. All together, have our hands and sing Happy Birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday, Kendall. Make a lot of wishes and blow your candle. Yay! Happy birthday, Kendall. One more. Happy birthday, Kendall.
Adults and young at heart, our buffet is now open. You can go ahead and.
Puli mo! Bet, you can do that, diba? Do it. Marunong ka niyan. Sample nga, sample. I should just hire you. Sample.
Drop it steady. Just one hand, just one hand. Show it to everybody. Don't drop it, okay? Hold it tight. One more. No, just like that, not like that. Okay, one more. One more. Shreya.
Happy?
Somebody have something for you, Will.
Tawag-tawa siya eh.
Alright,
Tawag-tawa
let's
siya
see
sa
what
mga...
more. Yes.
Napagod na lamang yung ano, nag-magic.
It's magic. Kuya, I need the ball from the audience. Where's Mami? Nasaan si Mami?
Oy, bakit ako? Hello! Hi! Hello!
Ang ganda niyo po ngayon.
Ay, ngayon, everyday. Charot. Ano gagawin ko?
It's called the world's most dangerous card magic. Ma'am, dangerous to. Okay daw. Siyempre, merong prizes galing kay Sir Paul. A round of applause to Sir Paul, everybody! Ma'am, cash prize po. Alam niyo kung magkano? It's 20,000 pesos! galing kay Sir po 20, ma'am. So 20,000 regular deck of cards. Show it to everybody, okay? I'm going to refill the card. All you have to do just say stop. Okay, sabihin nyo lang, ma'am, stop. Okay, ma'am, lapit ko kayo sa star. Lapit po kayo sa star. Ako po yung star. Okay. Ma'am, dito po. Ako po yung star, pero ikaw, ma'am, yung superstar. Yes, di ba? Okay, refill the card and say stop. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa po. There you go. Ma'am, mapanakit to, mapanakit. Ma'am, dito lang po. Dito kayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, ma'am, your card. Look at it. Don't show it to me, show it to everybody. Your card, pakita nyo. Pakita nyo, ma'am. Sige. Yes. Yan na po. Okay na. Remember, tandaan nyo po. Tandaan nyo. Okay, put it back in the middle. Okay, this time I'm going to stop the card. Tusok. Everybody. Palakpakan. Let's blindfold it. Ma'am, hawakan nyo po. Ma'am! Ma'am! To the card! In 1, 2, 3, go! Ma'am, ilang count of 3? Sabi ko ba? Ha? 2, 3, go! Wow! 1,000, okay. Ma'am, actually, sige, hawak mo lang. Hold lang, kuya. Kanina may inabot sa akin si sir. 2, 3, 1,000 pesos! Thank you very much! For you po. Worth 1,000 pesos! A round of applause, everybody!
Until I say so. Okay? And slowly open your eyes in 3, 2, 1. Look at that big bear in front of you. Surprise! Here! On the other side. Yes. Hello there. Look at your big teddy bear. I know they're both big. Let me read the card here. Dear Kendall, thank you for having your birthday at the Ultimate Indoor Playground, Kinder City with